Hi guys, Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management. With me here is Tara Lampkin. She is one of our business advisors as well as the GM for InSPAration Management. And we are super excited to introduce you to a brand new book gathering that we are going to be doing starting the month of September. When is it exactly?
It's September 14th, which is the Monday, and we're doing it at 4 p.m. Eastern.
Yes, so we changed it actually. We used to do it a different day, but we feel Monday is going to be a much better day for everybody.
Absolutely.
And what a way to start the week. So the book we're going to be doing is actually How to Make Millions with Your Medical Spa. It's my latest book. And we are going to start with chapter 1. Now this book is structured in 4 parts, and every part has several chapters. Now during the coronavirus, we kind of zipped through it very fast. So now we want to take our time and go through it chapter by chapter. So the first thing you really need to do is definitely get your hands on the book. Now if you already have it, great. If you don't have it, where can they go get it?
Dori, they can go to Amazon, and for the month of September, we're giving away your book for just $1 on Amazon.
$1?
I know.
Who approved that?
The general manager. So if you don't have her book, go to Amazon now, and you can get Dori's book for just $1.
For the month of September?
For the month of September.
Okay. And why are we doing that?
Well, we're doing that because we really want them to elevate their success. And it's so important that they have their hands on your book. Mm-hmm. They could get it downloadable, but if they don't have the opportunity to highlight and read and make comments in it, which I've learned from you, it really makes the book come to life for them.
And get to retain it that much more. So it's important. But really the other reason is something that we teach other people who have published their book, right? And because we want them to leave reviews. Now during the authority marketing, the book writing seminar that we do, we teach people how to market their business. And one of the ways to market it is to gain reviews, so it helps improve your positioning. And when you go to leave a review on Amazon, that's not possible unless you have bought the book. So that's really why, or else we would love to give it to you for totally free. So really the $1 is for you, because we know you're gonna love the book, right? It's for you to go back and leave us reviews on Amazon. So this is something that we're gonna teach you also how to do once you come to become published, or go to becomepublished.com and actually put your name on a book. We're gonna teach you to do the same thing so you can get more reviews. But I have to tell you, this is years worth of efforts that we're going to be discussing in detail to really help guide you towards a whole new level of success. So this is really our way to give back to the community.
Absolutely.
It's not like we're gonna make money off the $1. That's not gonna go very far. But really it's to help you give back to the industry and make sure that you avoid costly mistakes. So we will be doing this via Zoom or
Facebook and Instagram.
And YouTube Live. So we're gonna start doing YouTube Live, so you'll be able to connect with us. Now to register, just so we know that you're going to be part of the book gathering, you can go to InSPArationManagement.com, and right from the home page you'll be able to see the book gathering. Just simply click register, and then that way we will be sending you notifications to remind you as to exactly when each book gathering is, so you don't miss on anything. And then the other nice thing that we always do is they're all going to be listed where?
On YouTube.
On YouTube. So make sure you go to YouTube, subscribe, ring the bell, so we can keep you updated to all the great videos that we do to help you succeed.
Absolutely. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I know you said we did it, during the coronavirus, but really breaking it down, we have so many clients asking us to do this, so I'm so happy that you're doing this for them.
It is. It's fun. So if you have any questions or need any help, make sure you reach out to us. You can always schedule a success planning session, and one of my team members can get with you, find out what challenges you're having, what would you like to improve about your business, and then be able to find out exactly what's available for you to make those improvements. So I'm looking forward to it. So the first date is September 14th. It is on a Monday at 4 p.m. Eastern. So I look forward to seeing you. Go get the book from Amazon. And until next time, stay inspired.